Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change last saved by name in Microsoft document. Right click on it and then click on properties and then go to details. Now you see last saved by. So we are going to change this. So when you save document in your computer, so your name appear here, but we are going to add custom name. Now close. First open. So we are going to add some text and then click on save. So we save document. Right click on it. Properties. Details. Now you see last saved by Syed. So we are going to add some custom name. Now close. Again open document. Now go to file. So click on it. Now you see last modified by. So we are going to change this name. Go to option. Now you see username. So you can add Hassan and then click on OK. So we are going to save document again. Now save. Again right click. Properties. Now go to detail. Now you see last saved by Hassan. So we modify or change this name in MS document. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.